didn't go to the same. We went to the same primary school.
Okay.
But not secondary school.
Okay.
But yeah, we've always been close.
Okay, let me tie this just to keep it away while I deal with that frontal, because that frontal needs to be dealt with. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I get it now.
Yeah, so that was the one that you now put the got to be glue
Okay.
at the front.
At the front.
Yeah. So, see, this is how it's looking.
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah. Yeah, see.
Wow.
Okay, so now it's time to glue. I'm gonna get my hair dryer.
Yeah, exactly.
You know? So you're gonna use this one. Yeah, I love this because of that glow. Wow, look at your face. Wow. Oh, Maybelline. Oh, Fit Me 365. Wow, let's see. Wow.
That's really nice.
Yeah.
360, yeah.
365.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, you're gonna try then?
Yes.
Yeah. Look at
Wow.
that. Yeah. Yeah, this is definitely good. I like color. So I'm gonna make you look at shadow. I'm gonna do NW55
55.
for the nose. Then I'll do
Okay.
this for the. It's not even good to wear makeup every day because then all the pores is gonna be blocking. There's no point if you're not going out side. Because sometimes when you go crazy,
Too much.
yeah, it's too much. You can still add up later on when you're finishing. Brows time, we need to be serious. We're not gonna laugh, we're not gonna talk to you guys. Bye. So yeah, this is serious business. Just so the brows will just stand out. Yeah. Party palette. So I'm gonna use this brown here. Brown first. I always go back to the person's color to blend the edges. Mommy said go to your house. Yeah, he said mommy said. Yeah, that's the process. Catch the beat, you all. Catch the beat. Yeah. Set life.
Yeah, proper.
Yeah. Take that.
Your phone is absolutely off the chain.
That's how my phone is, you know. So me, I don't just bother until when
Just
I
leave
finish.
it, yeah, when you've got time.
If you reply one, you're gonna reply two. You're gonna reply three. So. Maybe smile a little bit. Yeah, so then just put it right, just yeah. Glitter, glitter, glitter time. Peachy, healthy, orangey. Yeah. So smile again. Yeah. Peaches. Yeah. That's a lip. But the way it's going, you all can already tell. But girl, what are you gonna do to the lip? Wow. Yes. So now let's get the highlighter from Caron Cosmetics. I so love it because it has that peachy bronzy tone to it. So now I'm gonna grab it. Pop in. Here's the other side. Again, apple of the cheek. So blinding. I'm coming to slay. Just hint me. Just, you know, just tell me. Are you ready for me? It's nice. Love it. Yeah. Okay. Let's unveil. Look. Look at that girl. Look at that girl. Look at that girl. This is her hair. This is her natural hair, you all. Yo. Even the pin-up look even look good.
It's cool, isn't it?
Yeah, I know. I was gonna say. Wow. Wow. Just look at him. Wow, Eunice's hair is big though.
Really, really, really nice. Love it.
Yeah.
Look at my edges. Can't get over like the edges.
It's real. I need to zoom that edges guy.
What?
What? Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Hi guys, thank you so much Beauticianchic for my amazing makeover. The hair is so nice, the makeup is, I don't even know what to say, it's honestly really, really good. It's been an amazing experience. Just a little bit about myself. My name's Vanessa. I'm also a wedding planner, so vs.design and events on Instagram. The link will be below. Check me out if you're planning a wedding, baby shower, bridal shower, anything you need.